Today's tutorial is the Petite Mademoiselle in 3.5 inches from the new collection from Treto.com. So we're going to do a pigtail set because I like everything pigtail sets with 3.5. So we're going to do a Bluey and Bingo one. So let's get started. I'm going to cut out 2 of each. So I'm going to put 2 layers here. And then we're going to cut out 2 tails. So I have my 2 tails here. Going to run it through our Sizzix Big Shot. I have a Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my table, but this one does fit the regular Big Shot. So here is the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. I have my stuff in. We're rolling it through. Now that everything is cut, let's see what we're working with. So we have, here's for 1 bow, here's 2, and our 2 tails. And the die does come with the own center strip, but I cut my own. So let's get started. Put you guys this way, you guys can see what I'm doing. So first things first, we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna add hot glue to the bottom section, to this section right here. We're gonna bring these tabs towards the middle and we're gonna press down. We're gonna flip it over. Same thing to this section. We're gonna add hot glue down here. I'm using regular hot glue because it's felt on felt, so they're not overlapping. So there's no need to use any other glue like Bob Smith Industry Glue, the BSI glue. There's no need. And this is how you get this shape. I always make sure that the smileys are looking at me. So this is the front. This is the way you glue it down. So as you can see here, it has a little curved shape. And the back, it just has a little line. This is the back of the bow, even though we glued it down in the front. This is considered the back. And the one with the design, the one with the little curve, the smiles, is considered the front. So we're gonna glue this down right here. So since we're gluing down this faux leather and this is glitter, we're gonna add a little bit of the Bob Smith Industry Glue to the back of our faux leather bow. We're gonna add hot glue to this one. And we're gonna layer it like this. So this is how we're looking so far. Now we're gonna do our little center strip. We're gonna add hot glue to the back. Get our little center strip, glue that down here. I'm gonna wrap it over. So here, since we're going over, I'm gonna add a little bit BSI glue just to be safe. Just a little. Add hot glue here. And then wrap all the way around. And then we're gonna cut off in the back what we don't need. Cut that off. So this is how we're looking so far. So now let's add our cute little felty. So since it's only 1 layer, I'm not gonna elevate it. We're just gonna stick our felty right in the middle. And since this is felt backing and this is glitter, regular hot glue is suffice. We're gonna add hot glue here, get our cute felty and stick it in the middle. Like that. Hold down for a couple seconds. And we are looking like this. So let's catch up with our second bow. Okay, so now that we have our second one done, I'm gonna make pigtails. So one has to be a left and one has to be right. So I like setting up my clips like this. So I'm just gonna go like this and glue down my clip. So I have my clip lined with 1/4 inch Girl Grain ribbon. I'm gonna add my hot glue to the back of my alligator clip. And we're just gonna lay it like this. Hold down, it's nice and secure. Then we're gonna go this way, open up our clip, add hot glue to the center, bring that in. Then I'm gonna add hot glue here and bring our ribbon towards the middle. And then to secure it, we are going to get our X-Acto, or get a highlighter or a pencil, whatever that fits in between the alligator clip, to make sure that ribbon's actually nice and stuck on there. And it gives you a nice clean finish. So we did this side. Now let's do this side. So we're gonna glue it like this. We're gonna add, same thing, add hot glue back here. Add our clip here. Hold down. And over here it goes over the teeth just a little bit. I like trimming it up, make sure it doesn't do that. So we're gonna cut off just a little bit for our teeth are still visible. So add hot glue here. Bring it towards the middle. See how the teeth are still usable? I don't like covering up the teeth. So add hot glue to the middle of our alligator clip. bring our 1/4 inch ribbon towards the center, get our X-Acto knife, and rub it. So now we have a left, we have a right. Let's get a bow card and add it to our bow card. So we have left, right, and our little set is complete. So if you're new to my page, I post tutorials on how to make bows. If you're not following me, give me a follow and I'll be doing more tutorials. And there it is done. This is the Petite Mademoiselle in 3.5 inches. It is die number 205 from mariatreto.com.